Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a $50 million fund has been set up to reward persons who share information on hijacking, robberies and other crimes during the Christmas season.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the disclosure today as the country grapples with an increase in robberies and reports of contract killings.
Now, as we hear in this report, police intelligence suggests a high level of organized crime.
Christmas is just around the corner. Holiday shopping in full swing. But amidst the celebration, Grinches in the form of criminals are wreaking havoc.
Our intelligence is also picking up right across Jamaica, not just in this parish, and we have managed to foil a number of them, that the gangs are organizing around trying to rob business places such as supermarkets and other enterprises. They are trying to hijack shipments of goods, and you will see the level of organization behind it, positioning cars, positioning getaway, positioning lookouts and all kinds of things. So there's a very high level of organization around it, but our intelligence is picking it up and we are moving in on them.
A policeman was among 2 people arrested a few days ago in connection with the robbery of a delivery truck carrying millions of dollars worth of cooking oil. Business places were also robbed in Manchester.
We are putting up a fund of 50 million Jamaican dollars, and depending on the quality of the information you give, you could get a nice Christmas reward. We want to get people who are involved in contract killings, people who are planning to hijack stocks and goods in transit, and people who are planning to rob supermarkets during the Christmas season and other business establishments. We want to know, and you could get a very nice reward. Of course, all well secretly done, you get your money, but the criminals get their just rewards.
Police statistics show there have been 872 reported robberies since the start of the year up to December 12. That's an increase of almost 20%.